So there is an interesting phenomenon going on right now. I am seeing multiple XRP creators, just like myself, on YouTube talking about the fact that you need to, quote, buy all of your XRP before August. I'm even seeing the same messages and phenomena playing out on X. Different creators, different sectors, and different people talking about it. And it kind of made me go, what's going to happen between now and August? Today is July 9th. Is this really a thing? Should you, quote, buy all of your XRP before August? Is there something that's going to happen that in the first week of August is going to make the price of XRP explode? And I'm like, there's a video here. There's a discussion here. Let's talk about this. Now, I personally am not the one who leans into the fact of, if you're going to buy all of your XRP, you need to do it by a certain date. I'm a big believer in DCAN, dollar cost averaging in, and I have been doing that as we've been rolling along. I bought some back when it was 30, 40 cents. Wish I would have bought more. I'm just going to tell you straight, right? Have bought along the way. Still have even been buying at these levels because I tell you I'm buying because I believe undeniably that XRP is going to go up. But let's go back to the scenario. Should you buy all of your XRP before August? Is there something going to happen in August? Now, I have looked around. I have dug into this, and there is some things out there. Okay, so right now, XRP is trending up. We're up 4%, but the overall market's trending up as well. We've had Bitcoin go up today. It's at 110.9 and change right now. We've had Bitcoin go up and hit 11,925. It might have actually wicked up above its all-time high of 11,970, but officially we're showing 11,925. We got Ethereum running. Look at this. Ethereum up 5.5+%. We've got some meme coins. Stellar XLM up nicely. I own XLM. It's nice to see that as well. But let's go back to, again, XRP specifically. Is there something playing out where you should be going, man, if I'm going to get in, I need to get in? Look, if you're buying and holding long term, like meaning you're buying today and you're going to hold for 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, then you should have already been buying some and you can still buy along the way because it's a dollar cost averaging scenario that I mentioned earlier. Is there some specific events out there? Well, we're supposed to get visibility and clarity into what the framework is going to be coming from the government as far as stable coins, the Genius Bill, the Clarity Bill, all these kind of things. That's supposed to be this week. We had Brad Garlinghouse today go up in front of the Senate, talked about that. You know, we've had those kind of things. But if you're looking for a specific event, this thing is going to happen before August. That's going to be a massive catalyst for XRP. There is not one that I'm aware of. And I look at XRP and XRP news and XRP information all day, every day. Excuse me. It's a big part of what I look into. And I apologize for the way I sound. I've got a little bit of a head cold and chest cold going on, which is lots of fun. Okay. So there's not something out there that's like, oh my God, I got to do it before XRP does this. But what is going to happen and what is happening is very, very representative of today. You got XRP up 4+%. Should you have bought XRP when it dipped down to that $2 range about 16 days ago, right here where this little alert is? Maybe you should have, right? Because we're up 20% in the last 16 days and 12 hours. XRP is. That's 20%. $1,000 bought here, you would have already had been a profit of $205. But there's the point. Okay. And by the way, let me show you something really cool. I know this is not the best segue, but I have started a stock channel and it's very representative of what I do in crypto, but on the stock side. There's a link down in the description below. If you're watching this on X, there's a link below this video as well. Go over there. And if you like what I'm doing for you in crypto, follow me on the stock side because I'm going to be doing the exact same thing over there, trying to help guide you in stocks, help you find great stock plays, great stock information, news updates, things of that nature. Okay. So right now the channel's just gotten off the ground, 456 subscribers, only one video. I plan to do at least 1 or 2 videos per day. And if that thing ramps up, I'll be doing even more videos over there on a daily basis. So if you would, and you like me, you like what I'm doing for you, can you support that channel, please? There's a link in the description below. Okay. So let's get back to what we were talking about, XRP. Look, this chart on the screen is what is going to happen. You're going to see XRP move up 4, 5, 6, 7%. It's going to inch up, creep up, and go past the all-time high. And you're going to look up and go, man, I wish I would have bought XRP at $2, at $2.20, at $2.40. Now, am I telling you to buy? Nope. This is entertainment purposes only. This video is for not financial advice. Me, I continue to buy because I'm buying and holding long term. And by the end of this year, if all things go as we expect for the entire crypto sector, let me do those hand signals again. Those are very, very nice, aren't they? We will see XRP absolutely surpassing its all-time high of $3.84. We will see XRP most likely hit between $5 and $10 in that range, if not more, from an XRP price prediction by the end of 2025. The expectation is that Bitcoin will go from anywhere from $130,000 to $200,000 plus as well. The expectation is that Ethereum will get back up past its all-time high of, what is that number? I haven't looked at it in a while. 48.91. Yeah. But look at that. XRP is 43% off of its all-time high. There's another asset that's pretty close to that. XRP is 37% off of its all-time high. Just saying. Should you buy all of your XRP before August? I cannot find a specific event or reason for you to do that. Should you buy XRP before the end of August and lock in these relatively low prices as compared to what the asset, what XRP is going to be trading for a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now? Not investing advice. That's what I'm doing. And that's really, I think, how you should look at it. Is there's always going to be XRP rumors out there. There's always going to be a rumor of this thing. There's always going to be XRP news out there that is hard, concrete news. And I will bring you both of those on different respective times, but I will always tell you that if it is an XRP rumor. But you have to really, at the end of the day, in my opinion, just stand by a very straightforward investing strategy for your XRP, for your crypto. Buy and hold long term, dollar cost average. Have a plan. Know how much XRP you own. How many XRP tokens do you own? What is the price cost basis of those? What is your target strike price? I want to sell it when it hits $5 because it's 100% ROI for me, or whatever that number is. Whatever your plan for you is, for you to achieve your goals and your objectives, because that's really what it's about. This is not about me. It's about you. It's about, why did you invest in XRP? What is your plan? What is your profit plan? What is your ROI? Your ROI return on investment plan? 50%, 100%, 300%, whatever that number is, because that's the key and that's what it's about. Yeah. All right. So if you're interested, links in the description below. Give it a look. I've got the trading indicator that can help you make even more money trading crypto. It's literally about $1.15 a day. There's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. But look, this is it working in real time. 16 days ago, I gave a buy alert for XRP, and we were up 20%. $2,000 bought here, not sold yet. You would have already made a profit of $410 off of that. XLM, 8 days ago, there was a buy alert right here where my mouse is. There was a buy alert. It's up 28%. $1,000 bought here, not sold yet. Would have already made you a $284 profit. This is how you can make even more money trading crypto, by doing what's called swing trading. So this whole video, we've been talking about long-term investing strategy. Swing trading is something you can do in addition to that, where you can buy and sell in the short term. Like in this scenario, in 8 days, you buy XLM, you wait for the software to tell you it's time to sell, and you sell and make 30%, 40%, whatever it is, depending on how much XLM is going to go up. As an example, XRP, there's going to be a sell alert here at some point, because you know why? The market's going to turn. It is. So if you want to do short-term buy and sell swing trading, you're buying and you're selling at the swing, at the top of the swing, just like here. Ethereum, look at Ethereum. It's right here. 16 days ago, there was a buy alert right there, 23% up. There will be a sell alert. This red box, momentum down, is a sell alert. And the alerts are cool because you can have them come in on your phone. Okay. You can schedule them to come in on your phone. Little pop up that'll say buy Ethereum, sell Ethereum, buy XRP, sell XRP. You set those alerts. Oh, and by the way, the software works for stocks as well. This is the Netflix chart. This is Netflix right here. Buy here, sell here, another buy, another sell. But in that period of 91 days, 60%. $1,000 bought here, sold, bought here again, sold here again, would have made you over $607 in profit in 91 days if you had bought $1,000 worth. It's as simple as that if you have a plan and you using technology that, again, literally cost you about $1.15. The quarterly option is the cheapest with that discount code down there. That's it. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Give it a look because you have zero risk in this because of that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. You don't like something, you don't like the font that I use, fine, you can cancel. Okay. And by the way, there is a Discord as well. Let me show you that, which is the private investing community that is behind X1. And I'm going to show you that real quickly here. Right here, you can see X1. So this is the private investing community right here. And you can see like we have live training. Look, tomorrow at 12 o'clock, there's going to be a crypto follow-up, just kind of a general overview. X1 algo trading and introduction. This will be next. We just had one of these earlier this week. So next week, X1 trading and algo at real-time setups tomorrow, Wednesday, July 16th. Oh, excuse me. Start apologizing. Next week, July 16th, there will be another class for that. These classes are recorded. They're there for you. Why do we do this? Why have I invested in this? I have people that are manning this real time for you so that you can come in here and see everything you need and get everything you need to support you. You can open up support tickets. You can get questions, help you help. You can interface with other X1 members, all that with the goal of trying to help you make even more money. So links are in the description below. Go get her. I'll see you.